Puppet Place is the home for puppetry in the southwest. Based in Bristol's historic harbourside, our building houses creative businesses and artists. Established as a charity over 40 years ago to support puppetry practitioners in the region, we have grown into a thriving community network. Together, we seek to innovate, research and develop, to nurture new ideas and emerging talent, to further develop the art form of puppetry and engage with the public through our work.
That is amazing!
Puppetry is any practice that brings the inanimate to life. As such, Puppet Place embraces all forms of puppetry and related fields, such as animation, film, theatre, visual and interactive arts, creative technologies and robotics. From design and fabrication to devising and manipulation, it takes skill, passion and imagination to breathe life into a puppet. Public engagement and accessibility within the arts are at the heart of our goals. To achieve this, we work closely with organisations in the cultural and higher education sectors and specialists in access and inclusion. Through the Bristol Festival of Puppetry, we have served audiences of over 30,000, while our creative community engages hundreds of thousands nationally and internationally, and millions via film and television and online. Our vision is to evolve Puppet Place's current home into a centre of innovation for puppetry. A space where we can deliver the training and research necessary to develop both practitioners and audiences. We seek to expand Bristol's world-class puppetry and animation sector, to create new jobs, more mentorship and training opportunities, to cement Spike Island and the historic harbourside as a cultural destination. Thank you for your time and your support. If you would like to learn more, please visit us online at puppetplace.org.